Okay, so let's look at some MDS stuff. Got the VM running, PS2, BP1, and we have the database. So I'm connected to MDS this time rather than the OIM one. And here's a query you can use to find stuff. All the OIM data is in these two partitions, 3 and 4. So you could look in here, for example, see MDS partitions, the data. So you see there's the 2 for OIM, here's the 1 for SOA, and the Oracle Security Manager, I think. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the OIM stuff. So we're only selecting those 2 partitions. We want to see the partition ID, so we know if we're looking at the UI one or the base stuff. So here's the UI stuff and here's the base according to the partition IDs. So I'm sorting them by that also, so we'll see everything in order. So you see here's a scheduled task that I imported 3 times, obviously, version 1, version 2, version 3. It's all GTC stuff. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at a base install, so I have imported the GTC, so it's possible this comes with it or it's put there after you install a GTC connector. Here's some more jobs I imported, some resources, I guess, for some of these will also be like the request forms that you create via the app instance. And some of these will be the ones that get generated when you click the Create Profile button in the Design Console for the resource object. And so that's what a lot of this is. It's going to be the jobs and you've imported, and of course the stuff that gets imported when you install connectors. It's all going to be in here. You kind of have to know what you're looking for if you're going to be looking in here for something, because usually you're doing it because something's acting weird. Okay, so this is the table where it all lives, so you can go in and look, and here's a query. I'll save this query in the directory. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to take a look at some of the ways. So I found this link. It makes it very simple to, go and find where you have to be at in the Enterprise Manager. Once you get to where you have to be to actually run the operations, then it's a matter of just experimenting with them and seeing what you come up with. So we're going to, I'm going to use these, and we're going to go to it, and then we're going to try some exports and see what they look like, and then look at the actual data that gets exported. Okay, so make this one short.